Hi viewers, good evening. This is Kishore from Studio 6 Hotel. This is my first hotel in Canada. Now I'm gonna show you one interesting thing about this hotel. If you notice, we are in the first floor, right? Let's see. Let's see. I'm pressing here. Here we go. See that we are in the first floor. It's coming. Do you think the lift is coming all the way from 100th floor or 50th floor? No. No. It's actually coming from second floor. Let's press 2. Let's wait. This is gonna close. Let's see, it's closing, and closed. It's closed. It started moving. Wait, it's going, still going. Yeah, it's stopping. It stopped. It's opening. Here we go. It's open. We came to the second floor. It took almost 1 minute for me to go from the first floor to the second floor of this hotel. Thanks for watching. This is Kishore. Bye bye.